back in Australia, out of Darwin National Park. Florence Falls. I'll go this way. Looking for a place to swim, but swimming is apparently banned due to the excessive water. This is a nice walkway going down the rock face, worth a bit of a look-see. As Andrew says, it's not so much fun coming back up. It actually might warm us up because I think we're planning to have a swim. Funnily enough, we decided not to swim at the other water hole, and as we came out, the ranger just turned up, so we would have got caught. Don't know what the consequences of that would have been. It's quite a nice little rainforest walk, this. It's quite fast flowing, and we've both decided I'm not going to go in just for the sake of it, although I'm tempted. Where it says closed, it's closed here as well, to go in just so I can say I disobeyed the sign. This is sort of really weird. There's kids' clothes here and kids walking through the rocks. There is no person here, and there's a pair of adult thongs back here. Which of itself I thought was a bit strange. So what's going on? Andrew beat me to it. It's like your own private swim jet. It's actually quite a firm swim against that, to go against it. Go down through those rocks.
Yeah.
Watch that. Take a path. Yeah. Just lose all control about here, and you're just watching the rocks and potential for getting hurt, and it's not worth the effort. Nah, it's strong. Hey? It's pretty strong. Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. As soon as you stop swimming, you just get washed straight back. It's quite good. I've tested that before down there. It's just too rushy, and there are places of it where it's going through so fast that you would lose control and just get pushed into the rocks. Just walking back up through the rainforest from having our swim, and this one, I know there's another one I didn't stop to take a picture of on the way down. The ranger came. It was had a proper approach. You guys know it could be dangerous. Take care was about it. So I'm here in Darwin. Freezers are substantially denuded. So this is the tube of toothpaste that I bought in Paris on my second day there because I forgot to pack. I had it out ready to pack in Gola, and I reckon it's just gonna last me till I get back.